Hello, today's moment of Zen, something I like, love, and appreciate about Italy is very simple. Not unique to Italy, but certainly very visible almost at every household or apartment. And it's right here. Those drying racks for the laundry. Um, Houses here don't have dryers as we are used to, maybe spoiled to a certain degree in North America, Canada especially. So uh, even though we had a rack like this, we'd never use it in the winter. Maybe on an odd summer day, we would we would use it here. Everyone is using it, and everyone is using it outside because you want to get the humidity out of the house. Some of the older houses don't have good ventilation, so you don't want to trap the humidity inside of the house, mold and what have you. So um, I am alone for a few days. Kasia is in Poland, so I had to do the laundry, and hey, drying it outside like a pro. Beautiful day here outside of Portaria. Not as hot. Temperature is dropping slightly. It was 18 Celsius overnight, so I turn off the air conditioning in the middle of the night after the room has cooled, and with the windows open, it was just perfect. Beautiful day. However, not a cloud on the sky, and not much rain in the last 3 weeks. So things start to dry out a bit. I don't see a rain on a forecast. So interesting, interesting weather pattern. Not used to it. There's always some rain in the summer, where I spent the last 30, 40 years. All right, wishing everyone a great day. Love you all.